This vanilla cheesecake mug cake is rich, soft, and ready in just a couple of minutes. It's the perfect treat when that cheesecake craving shows up out of nowhere. The best part? No oven, no water bath, no stress, just a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. It's like a mini cheesecake moment, made right in your favorite cup. Let's get started. In a microwave-safe mug, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. Mash it well until smooth and creamy. This is the base that gives your cake that classic cheesecake flavor. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of milk to loosen it up. Add 1 tablespoon of melted butter for richness, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for warm flavor, and 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness. Stir everything together until smooth and glossy. Make sure there are no cream cheese lumps left. The smoother this step, the creamier your cake will be. Now add 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This gives structure to the cake. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of baking powder so it rises nicely, and just a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Mix until the batter is smooth and lump-free. Don't forget to scrape the sides and bottom of the mug so everything is evenly combined. Place your mug into the microwave and cook for about 60 to 70 seconds, depending on your microwave power. Let's make a classic vanilla cream cheese frosting. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese. Add 1 tablespoon of softened butter. Both should be soft so they blend smoothly. Beat them together until creamy, light, and completely lump-free. This step is key for that silky frosting texture. Now add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar for sweetness, along with half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that warm, classic flavor, and 1 teaspoon of milk. Stir until it reaches a soft, spreadable consistency, thick enough to hold shape, but smooth enough to glide. Spread the frosting over your warm mug cake so it melts slightly into the top, or pipe it on using a zip-top bag for a bakery-style finish. And there you have it, a warm, creamy vanilla cheesecake mug cake that's quick, comforting, and totally indulgent. Perfect for late-night cravings, solo dessert moments, or whenever you need a little cheesecake happiness in a mug. Loved this mug cake? You can grab my full mug cake recipe collection as a PDF on Etsy. Link in bio.